Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to auto archive in Trello. So first thing is just simply go to one of your boards, and from here make sure you have a done list over here. I will use this as an example, and from here just simply go ahead and go for the automation over here, and after that go for the rules, and here on the rules click on create automation, click on add trigger. So from here, just simply go ahead and go for this one. When a card is added to, just simply select done, and just simply select by anyone except me or by anyone. So this will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for by anyone, and just simply select this one. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for the archive over here. Just simply select this one. And after that, just simply select save. And from there, guys, you should have this rule over here. And when we go to our board and go put the list on a specific and put a card on a specific list, as you can see, it will be automatically archived. And when we go to the three dots over here on the top right and go for the archived items, we should be able to have this item over here. There you go. See ya.